Now students, we come to the last part of matrix that you need. We are going to do simultaneous equation, but with the keynote. We are going to use our favorite. This is the one. Matrix is the one we're going to use to in order for us to solve the whole thing. So first step, this is the equation. So we're going to convert this to become matrix. So this is what I did. 3, -2, 5, -4, x, y, 8, 13. Whoa, 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 sir. What's happening, sir? Explain. Okay, this is what I did. 3, -2. Next, 5, -4. Next, xy. And the last one, the answer, 8, 13. This is the first step that you need to do. Okay, now, what is the next step, sir? The next step is called inverse. We are going to find the inverse of the matrix called 3, 5, -2, -4. What is the process? 1 over, what do you do? You cross multiply. 3 times 4, -12, minus, cross multiply. 5 times -2, -10. Okay, I repeat back again here. Just see here. For me to get the answer, it's 1 over cross multiply. 3 times -4 or -4 times 3 minus 5 times -2, -10. Then what I do to the matrix? This is what I do. The first one, this is what I do. I change place. So that means -4 goes up, 3 comes down. Then what I do? For both of these, I put a negative sign in front. Again, for both of these, I put a negative sign in front. So this becomes -5, 2. So done with that, I just take my calculator and I press the calculator for this. -12 minus -10, I get -2. This is the second step. Okay, now done with that. Okay, let me go to the last step. This is the third step, which is the final step for us to get the answer for x and y. What am I going to do? I bring in my answer of the inverse into the picture. -4, 2, -5, 3. Then I bring in the answer that is given here into the picture. Okay, now let's finalize the answer. How do I finalize the answer, sir? This is what we do. For this one, we take the first row and we multiply with the column. So what will this become? -4 times 8, 32. Plus 2 times 13. I repeat back again. -4 times 8, -32. Plus 2 times 13, 26. I do the same thing for the bottom row now. This is the bottom row, same principle. -5 times this, I get -40 plus 39. Repeat back what I did. -5 times 8, -40. 3 times 13, 39. So after that is simple solution. So 1 over -2. You may take your calculator out. You can press -32 plus 26. You can take a calculator, press -32 plus 26. And I do the same thing for the other one. -40 plus 39, -1. Done with that, the last step. -1 over 2, multiply for both. Meaning, I'm going to do this. I'm going to take -1 over -2 times -6. 1 over negative 2 times negative 1. So when I press the calculator for this, I get 3 and 1 over 2. Conclusion, x is 3, y is 1 over 2. This is how we solve simultaneous using the matrix 3-step way.